Hi guys, today I'm going to be making mango lassi. So first I'm going to tell you all the things I need to make it. So first I need one full mango, and I need 1 cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of sugar and 3 tablespoons of yogurt. So now I'm going to start blending. So first I'm going to put some mango. So I'm going to put some mango in the blender. Just tap it so it comes out. So I put the mango in the blender, as you can see. Now I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Some 3 tablespoons. So yeah, I'm just gonna put 3 scoops. So the second one I'm gonna put. Now the third one. So now I'm going to put some milk. So 1 cup of milk in. And the last one we need is sugar. I'm gonna do 2 spoons. Try 1 and 2. So 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now I'm gonna blend it up. Now I'm going to pour it for my brothers and me to drink. So I'm gonna put it in the, so this is my cup and this is my other brother's cup and it's my older one. So now I'm gonna pour some mango lassi. And next one. So now I'm gonna taste it and say how it tastes like. It's so yummy. And I don't know how I made it, and it tastes so yummy. You just need some sugar and a lot of, not a lot, but only a little bit of things to make it, and it tastes really good. You guys can try this at home. I hope you like this video. You guys can try this at home. Bye.